What is the lateral displacement of the aircraft in nautical miles from the radial selected on the number 1 nav? A. 7.5 nautical miles, B. 5 nautical miles, or C. 10 nautical miles? Nav 1 is currently tuned to 117.3, which is the Treasure VOR in Florida. The OBS is set to 016, the radial we've selected is therefore 196 degrees. The course deviation indicator is showing half scale deflection to the left. The edge of the white circle here indicates a 2 degree course deviation from the selected radial. Each further dot is another 2 degrees of deviation. The needle is halfway in between the first and second dot outside of the 2 degree circle. This is a 5 degree course deviation. The needle is displaying that we are to the right of the selected course, so that must put us on the 191 radial from the VOR. In order to know our distance from the selected 016 course, we need more information than this, such as our distance from the VOR. This can be seen here, showing around 60 nautical miles, along with a digital confirmation of the radial we're currently situated on. We can use the 1 in 60 rule, which is clearly how the question is intended, which says that at 60 miles, every 1 degree off track equals 1 nautical mile. This is not completely accurate, but it is close enough. We're currently abeam this airport, Belgrade State Municipal, which is 59.4 miles from the VOR on the 196 radial. We're around 60 miles from the VOR on the 191 radial, which, assuming that the Earth is flat, and I think we all know that it is, we have a right angle triangle. If we take the sine of 5 degrees, which is the course deviation, and multiply it by the hypotenuse of the triangle, which is 60 in this case, we should get our distance from Belgrade Airport. This gives us 5.23 nautical miles. Let's cross-check that with the trusty old GPS. So there's Belgrade programmed in, and enter, and 5.3, I'll take that. So the answer to the question, what is the lateral displacement of the aircraft in nautical miles from the radial selected on the number 1 nav, is B, 5 nautical miles.